Hello Capricorn, welcome back to my channel and today we are going to read the cards for you for the month of October 2020, and this reading is completely a relationship reading. October has been a month for a couple of signs, a lot of signs rather, which is a very concrete month in terms of taking decisions, and then after this month your life will be moving towards a different direction altogether. For few of you, it will improve the current scenario and it will take you along with your partner into a different phase of your life. And for few, it will give you courage to make a change in your life completely. So you're getting both the options here. So let's get ahead with your reading. But then before we start doing that, I would like to share my contact numbers with you. You can reach me on 918448901791. You can email me on blossomlifetarot@gmail.com. You can visit my website www.blossomlifetarot.com. So let's get ahead and see your reading. What exactly is happening in October 2020, Capricorn? Okay. So the good thing first and the best thing first. I'll give you other, vibrations, what I feel from your cards also. But then the month is ending at here. The month is ending at here. This is the outcome of your month. You wouldn't have felt this kind of a connection with anyone in your life. You wouldn't have felt something like this for someone like this, this person anywhere in life with anyone else. So this month will give you a soulmate connection. This month will make you a better person emotionally, physically, mentally, and in relationship you're getting better. Certainly. Right? So let's get ahead. Are you seeking commitment in a relationship? People who are single, not married yet, dating someone, commitment. If you are seeking that, and you always felt there's something toxic about your relationship, you were not getting the right kind of vibrations from the person, this person was not giving you commitment, or you had issues in terms of trusting this person's intentions, then don't worry. Don't worry at all. Whatever negativity you were feeling in this relationship for some time now, that relationship negativity is going to get away very soon for you. The relationship is moving towards a positive direction. So now you don't have to fight. You can just put your guards down, you can put your swords down, and you can actually focus in a relationship, in this relationship. Commitment is coming your way for few of you who are seeking commitment. Now for few others who are there, your partner might act a little weird in the month of October. I call it weird because he would become a little bit of a person who wants things his way. Ego, domination, that's something. Dictatorship approach is something what I see here, and that will make you sad. And since that makes you sad, it is not like that you're fighting back. You just want to relax for some time. At times we all come in that mode that do whatever you want to, I don't care. So that I don't care, attitude is coming in your life. That's something which is here for few of you. Okay. So it's two different energies I read out of these cards. That's one. In one hand, uh, commitment is something which you are getting. The other set of people are facing the weird mood swings of the partner, and then you've left it on their own, life choices and all, that you do whatever you want to. But you will not be able to divert yourself from your partner, because this month your partner's energies are going to be very attractive. They look very attractive, they talk very attractive, and their conversation will attract you a lot towards them. So even if you don't want to look at them, you will tend to look at them for one or the other reason, because something they will say, and that will be like a very beautiful thing, or maybe a very very passionate kind of a thing they will say, and you will suddenly get back to that person. So it's a up and down kind of a thing happening with you in the month of October, but it is a beautiful energy, so there is nothing to be scared of. Okay, This person is maybe having some mood swings because of whatever reasons, I think, but don't worry. It is all for your benefit. Don't worry. Nothing will go against you. That's one. New relationships are coming your way, certainly. New relationships, new person, new feelings, new spark in your relationship is coming. So you can feel good about it. It's a very nice energy. I feel positive about it. You need to have patience in the month of October. Though you are meeting new people, but then when you meet these new people, do not rush into relationships. Do not rush into a close relationship just in a week or weeks of time. From close, I mean that don't get involved with the person that much that you will feel you will regret your decision. And why do I say that? I say patience. Have patience, otherwise Five of Swords is coming. No, sorry, Seven of Swords is coming to betray you. So this person might do something behind your back which you will not like. So meeting new people, interacting with new people, and trusting them is two different things. Meet them, interact with them, like them, but don't trust them as of now. The trust thing shouldn't come as of now. So protect your trust. Protect yourself from new people's energies. Okay. Right now, your focus is anyways something different. That's money. Materialistic things are your focus. And right now, though it is relationship and you should be focused on relationship right now, but then your focus is going towards money right now. Money. Maybe to maintain your relationship, you need that kind of a money. So that's one. And because of that, you're getting confused which decision to take in a relationship, or the few of you, they are in a relationship which is a dedicated relationship. Maybe you want to get married to the person, you're very focused and all, but your mind is playing illusion game with you. So since it is giving you illusions about people, you're getting confused. You might look for options outside, you might explore options outside, which will turn out to be a disaster for you. Because I told you, I'm going back to the cards, that this is coming your way anyways. If it doesn't happen here and you take the advice, you don't take the advice now, it will get implied or applied to you by the end of the month, and there you get stuck. Okay. So if you want to make a perfect life of yours, if you want to be positive in life, if you want to be having good vibrations, good energies, and good outcome of this month, then please be away from unethical things, be away from people who are new in your circle, and don't trust them. This is what I tell you. The good part about this relationship is, that your partner and you are very much settled with each other. So breaking this relationship will be a little difficult for people who would want to break it. Do not share your good moments with anyone and everyone outside, because you might invite jealousy for yourself, or people keep an eye on your relationship. So you need to protect your relationship from any kind of negative energies which can impact your relationship. So the best part is to not to share your relationship with people. Like, I'm very happy in my relationship these days. People don't like seeing others happy. So this is that kind of era where people will be more happier to see you in pain rather than seeing you happy. So protect yourself there. That protection is very much required. If possible, I will say that go for a black obsidian. Wear a black obsidian bracelet if possible, because that protects you from any kind of negative energies, any kind of a psychic attacks, any kind of negativity around you. It helps you big time. It's a beautiful healing stone, beautiful stone to protect yourself from any kind of a negativity. That's what I suggest you. Capricorns, this month is very beautiful for you. There are few things what you have to take care of, like not trusting new people, being out of any kind of unethical associations. Otherwise, the cards have all the beautiful energies present here. Emotional stability is there in your cards. You're meeting the right kind of a person. Your partner is taking care of your emotional needs very, very well. You have a lot of passion present in you in the month of October. Just protect your relationship from outsiders, people who don't really want to see you happy. You need to protect yourself from there. There's a soulmate connection anyways you're feeling with your partner in the month of October, so you need to protect from protect your relationship from that perspective. Take care, be happy, be nice to people, be nice to your partner in the month of October, because you're going to get good results out of that. So take care and God bless you. Bye bye.